Almost 50% of CIOs say that it's difficult for them to align their IT team with the business objectives of their company. And the way to get through that is to be able to have transparency in the conversation around the vision of a migration to the cloud. They also need to listen to and get input from their IT staff on how they can contribute to that vision and how they can be part of that journey. As any organization knows, when you start to talk about transformation and its effect on an individual job function, it becomes very personal for individuals. Working with the HR department, working with the individual on coaching, working on the individuals with their job descriptions and annual evaluations or quarterly evaluations, and establishing objectives for those individuals to make on this cloud transformation journey. As companies are making this journey, that transparency of conversation and communication needs to not only be within the internal organization of information technology teams, it also needs to be taking place with the other executives that you're working with, and to have their involvement in helping to align the goals and business objectives that those teams are going to accomplish. That ability to discuss what the shifting financial models look like and how that will impact the business value that's being delivered for the organization, how it will impact the cash flow for the organization is critical. Another aspect of organizational change is that ability to be able to have tighter integration between the network operations area and the application development teams. CIOs are looking for that ideal profile for an individual that will drive adoption of the cloud. What I've experienced has been individuals that come from a background of application development, more specifically web application development, have a tendency to embrace cloud-based solutions much faster than individuals that come from a pure play infrastructure background. You're also looking for individuals that can self-organize and self-prioritize, and that can be explorers and are not afraid to take risk. A good model that companies have seen to keep forward motion is to create a center of excellence around cloud services, and that center of excellence becomes fairly small and gets incremental successes, and then is educating others in the organization about those successes so that it becomes federated across the organization.